guys, it's the real Mr. Marcelle, aka your favorite loan officer, and I'm so excited to share this mortgage gem with you guys. A lot of people don't know about a 2 or 3K loan, and what it allows you to do, it allows you to look at this property. You see how beat up it is? You're actually allowed to get a house like this and only put 3.5% down. And if you're wondering to yourself, hey Malcolm, why would I want a house like this? I'm looking to move in, have a house that looks nice. Sometimes that's what we want. But if you want to create generational wealth and you don't have all the money now, with 3.5% down, you're able to get a house that needs work. So that's going to allow you to A, make a lower offer. B, if you need seller's concession, these houses will definitely take it. And 3, you can fix it up how you want it. Now, if you're like me and you listen to this channel, I know you guys are all about creating residual income. Word brain fart. And what that residual income is going to allow you to do is going to allow you to create wealth for not only for you, but your family, your son's sons, and it passes down generations. That's what we want to do. That's what this channel is about. All your daughter's daughters. So what this allows you to do is, if you're like me, this is a 3-family. You're not buying a single family with this. You want to do a 3-family because you want to live rent-free or mortgage-free. That's the goal, right? So the 2 units are actually going to cover your mortgage and give you a little bit left in your pocket so you can go shopping or buy more houses like this. So what I want you to do is I want you to understand the benefits of having a 2 or 3K loan. It allows you to put less down, allows you to get a house that you're able to fix up, a house that most people will walk away from and say, oh my God, it's ugly. But when we see houses like this, especially if the numbers make sense, we see money. Because it's something that's going to pass down. You're getting built-in equity. I want you to understand that this house is selling for $100,000. It's worth $300,000 when you fix it up and needs $50,000 of work. That's $150,000 that you just put in your money, that you put in your bank account, that you put into your net worth. Yes, real estate is a part of your net worth. So you just increase your net worth by $150,000 and it's only costing you 3.5% down. So if you have the income that can sustain the loan, because yes, the bank is going to give you the money, the $30,000 or $50,000, but it has to be a part of your loan. So they're going to charge you back for it, but that's fine because you're not looking to pay this. You're going to have your tenants pay the mortgage for you. That's the whole point of doing these houses. This is called house flipping, house hacking. And then what you do is, once you get it all rented out, you're living in about a year and a half, you save some more money, like, hey, let me go get another 2-family. Remember in the last video I told you it's easier to go from a 4 to a 3 to a 2 to a 1 versus going from a 1 to a 2, 3, 4. So if you start off with a 3-family and you have house hack it properly, like I'm trying to show you guys, 2 or 3K loan, $30,000, $50,000, whatever it is, the tenants pay, you save your money up. Then you go to a 2-family now, and then you move, and now you can rent all 3 units. So now that investment property is paying you even more money, and that's what I want to teach you guys. I want to teach you guys residual money. I want to make you guys rich, 100%. And house hacking is one of the best ways, and you can do it through getting a mortgage. So if you have any mortgage questions, make sure you message me. The real Mr. Marcelle. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. I want to thank you guys for liking, sharing. The comments are going crazy, and yes, I am responding. It is 100% me. I respond to the comments. So leave your comments, suggestions for new videos. I'm actually thinking about putting an offer in this with me and my partners. And if we do, we'll see a lot more of these videos. I'll be combining flipping houses with doing mortgages and show you the BR method, because that's the method that we're going to use. And I also do hard money loans, so I'll be explaining how you get the hard money loans. The channel's about to blow up. We're doing 2 videos a week now. I really want to give you guys as much as I can. Give, because I want you guys to be successful, and I want to see future millionaires on my timeline. You guys want more of this? You guys want more of these videos? Then make sure you like, subscribe, follow, and go see my other uploads. There's a whole bunch on this channel for you guys. I want to make you guys millionaires. Thank you for everything. This is the real Mr. Marcelle, and see you next week.